Hi, I'm Anna. I'm the founder of Zenimal, and today I want to introduce the all-new Zenimal Kids Plus, which has a sleep sound machine function. So it's going to come in the new packaging that looks like this. You'll just simply take off the top box and it reveals the Zenimal underneath. So to release it from the insert, you just kind of shake it and wiggle it loose, pull it out. Underneath, you'll have your micro USB charging cable and your quick start guide, so make sure you pull those out as well. To power on the unit, you'll simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. That will power it on. You know it's powered on if you hear that singing bowl chime. So relaxing music will automatically start playing. This is where you can start to cycle through those new sleep sounds. So you can press the power button once, that's your ocean waves. Press it again, your white noise. If you want to go back to relaxing music and scan through it one more time, you just simply press the power button. You can adjust the volume on either side of the power button, and if you're ready to select a meditation, they live around the perimeter of the shell, so the 9 buttons are here. Say you want to select empathy, we'll press this button and the meditation will automatically start to play. If you want to pause it, you'll press and hold here. If you forget what the meditation symbols mean, they are imprinted on the bottom of his underbelly here. The silicone shell is an FDA-approved food-grade silicone. It is removable. It can be washed with a mild soap and water. Your charging port is here, right next to the earphone jack. There is also a battery life indicator light, and that menu for that is on your quick start guide, so be sure to refer to that. Otherwise, that is it. The sleep tracks will automatically shut down after 60 minutes unless the unit is plugged in. Then they will continuously play on a loop until the unit is powered off. So say you fall asleep with the sleep meditation, which would be fantastic. It will, if it is plugged in after that meditation ends, there'll be some relaxing music and then it will automatically revert back to the relaxing music for a seamless night's sleep. You can also from that point cycle through those sleep tracks. I hope this helps. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, comments, concerns. We are always available at hello@zenimals.com.